Good morning, my dear goal oriented students. Why I have told you goal oriented? That means my aim is to prepare you for the not only for the board exam but also for the different competitive exams. That is my goal. But what's your goal? I don't know. But English is required in every step. So, from the beginning, in such a way I am designing, that means definitely it will help you a lot from standard 6 to standard 12th also. Okay, in previous video already we have discussed present simple and also present simple passive verb, isn't it? You know, present simple, I have told you, subject, main verb, object, that is in active. In passive, what I have told, subject plus be verb plus be verb plus main verb third form plus by plus agent. And today we are going to learn a new concept, that means on present tense, that means present simple was completed, and now we will start our lesson in present progressive. Progressive means which work is going on, continuing, which work is continuing. So present simple, habitual work, that was present simple, but today's topic is present progressive. Before going to present progressive, or you are speaking present continuous, not I am dealing with the past tense or future time, only present tense I am going, I am preparing accordingly. If you are facing any problem, you can tell me. Okay, that means present progressive, present continuous or present progressive. What do you mean by present continuous or present progressive? Present progressive, the present continuous is used to express an action going on at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking, if something is going on, that is known as continuous or progressive. Now, my dear students, please listen. During speaking, while I am speaking, what am I doing? What am I doing? I am teaching. That means I am teaching means it is continuing. The work has been started but not completed. Progressive means the work has been started. Continuous means the work has been started but not completed. It is going on. It is going on. So, going on means continuous. Going on means what? Continuous. So, we are calling it present continuous. Mean present time. Now present time. What is that present time is going on? In the present time, what am I doing? I am teaching you. That means it is continuous, present continuous. It is not the past, it is not the future time. Okay. Then, already I have discussed with you that in simple, please remember, revise. Simple. What is there? Now, there was a subject, then main verb plus object. It was the simple. In present simple, it may be in present simple, it may be in past simple, or it may be in future time simple. Okay, isn't it? In voice change, yesterday's class, I was teaching you the voice change of simple, present simple. In that, what was the formula? The formula was that object became subject, object became subject, object to subject. Then what is there? Be verb, be verb. Be verb means you can understand present tense we are discussing. That means is, am, are. Already I have told you is, am, are, be verb plus main verb third form. Main verb third form. Already I told you. Jaise what? Play, played, played. Go, went, gone, gone. Was, washed. Last one third form plus by plus agent. This was the formula of the passive, but it was the formula of active. Already yesterday's class we have discussed. Okay, but our aim is not to here. Now we will go to the continuous, not the passive, only the active form. Active form means, again you have to remember, that means sentences: affirmative, declarative, negative, interrogative, but here in progressive we will not get the imperative sentences. Okay, here we will get only 4 sentences: declarative, negative, interrogative, 2 types, yes or no or WH or negative. Here we will discuss. In present tense you will get only the imperative. Okay, very good, keep it up, go ahead, prepare yourself. and try to prepare nicely. If you have any doubt, you can ask me questions. Okay, then come to what is happening. That means sub formula. What is the formula for progressive? Progressive means then subject is compulsory. Subject will come. Okay, then be verb. Please remember be verb. As we are discussing about present tense, already in passive voice I have told you what are the be verbs of present tense. Now is, am, are. See, here I am writing is, am, are. Okay, then main verb. Main verb means play, go, play, was, or like that. Here it is written play, arrest, drive, read. That means main verb. It will take ing form. It will take ing form. Plus it is completed. Then come to object part. In every sentence, you need subject, verb, object. Here in continuous, subject, be verb, main verb ing plus subject. Now come to the part. See, I am playing football. I is subject. See, I is subject. Subject, I. Then am, be verb, present tense. As we are discussing, be verb, present tense. Is, am, are. I always take. Already I have told you. I is specified for the am. So subject, be verb, am. Be verb, am. Then come to main verb ing. Who is the main verb? Main verb is play. Play, played, played. Play is present, played is past, played is past participle form. But here what we will do? Ing form in the main verb. The playing, main verb, ing. That means that is playing. Clear? Then what is this? Object. This is the general formula. That means what is the formula? The formula present progressive is subject plus be verb plus main verb ing plus object. Here I have written what are the be verb of present and present tense. Past tense is was and were. I will tell you why it is the past tense. Okay. Then come to our next part. That means we were discussing about sentences. That means already if you revise it, if you watch the previous video, you will find that what is the subject sentences. Number one is declarative, then negative, then interrogative, yes or no, then WH word. Okay, WH word. Okay, WH word you will get. Then you think of about the imperative, but imperative once you have prepared. Imperative, no form in here, imperative. So today we will read declarative, negative, interrogative, yes or no. If you know, then it will be easy for you. Okay, now come to our example or one question is there. You see, I have written 5 sentences. 5 sentences will analyze. See, I subject, am be verb, play ing, main verb ing, object. Clear? Then come to the police, subject, then be verb are, arresting, main verb ing plus object. Subject, be verb, main verb ing, object. Then subject, be verb, main verb ing, object. Then subject, be verb, main verb ing, object. Then subject, be verb, main verb ing, or it is a complete. It has completed the object. Okay. Now come to the questionnaire arranging. I will discuss the police are arresting the thief. Here, my dear students, please remember one thing. Can you tell me the police? It is singular or plural? You are thinking that police is singular, sir. No polices, nothing is there. Police. Please remember, police is always plural. So don't think the police is coming. The police is coming. It is not right. It is not right. The police are coming. But if you write policeman, it is singular. Man is singular. Policeman is coming. If you write policeman, it is plural. It will take R. But please remember, most of the students are writing the police is coming. No, police always takes plural, but it is plural. Not police plural form is polices. Not. Okay. Now we will discuss one by one. We will discuss one sentence. I will discuss. If you are not able to understand, then you will comment me. Watch the video clearly and give the comments. No problem, no problem. Okay. Suppose the police are arresting. Which sentence it is? See, the police are arresting the thief. Clear? You understood the subject? Be verb ing, suppose be verb, main verb ing, object. It is declarative sentence or positive sentence. What we will do? We will make it negative. But it is very easy. It is very easy. But in simple tense, you have to break the verb. But here no need to break the verb because helping verb is there. Be verb is there. In between be verb and main verb, use not. If we use not in between be verb and main verb, it will be turned into negative sentence. So, what will I write? The police are not arresting the thief. Completed. Negative. Very easy. That means if you take it easily, if you see, watch the video perfectly, you can able to understand. Okay. Okay, negative. Only not you have to use because it is in continuous. It is not in the simple form. You have to break the verb. Like that, play. Play equal to do plus play. Plays, does plus play. But here it is not like that. Playing, arresting, are arresting. In between you have to use not. Then make it interrogative. What I have told, you will take the helping verb. What the extra verb you have got. What was mixed with that, you will take from the beginning. What is that? Not that are. Okay, you write now. Are the police arresting the thief? Question mark. Oh yeah. Are the police arresting the thief? Answer will come yes sir or no sir. If it is yes, answer will be yes. If it is not, no. Okay, yes or no. That means it is yes or no. That means known as interrogative. Clear? Clear? Then come to what? WH word. WH word means what will make a question. Think yourself. You think yourself what to use. Number one will be who are arresting the thief. Number one, it will be also right. Who are arresting the thief? Answer will come the police. If someone asks, whom are the police arresting? Whom are the police arresting? The answer will come thief. Okay, but please remember, again my focus is on how to frame an interrogative sentence of WH word. What the WH word is appropriate for the sentence. Suppose you thought that whom is appropriate for the sentence. You take whom first. After whom, what you will do? You will take the verb. Which verb? Here you will find the helping verb. Are, is, are. You can take are. Whom are the police arresting? That means answer is the thief. So leave it the thief. Suppose here in the first sentence, who are arresting the thief? Here the police. You leave the police here. Who? WH word came. Then be verb came. What are arresting the thief? Otherwise, another thing is there. Please mark. If you are facing directly to make an interrogative sentence of WH words, before that you make it yes or no question. First you make it yes or no question like this. Are the police arresting the thief? Then use are before are you use who or who. It is right. Then you think if you are asking whom, then what won't come. If you are asking whom, who will not come. You have to decide. Okay. If you do like this, definitely I think that you will do better. But my dear students, please remember I have already discussed one example I have taken into consideration, but you have to complete 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5 as homework. But my dear students, please remember, before leaving the class, I am telling one thing. You have to remember these. Verbs not used in progressive. That means in this formula we can make every verb as progressive or continuous, but some restrictions are there. Please remember, sometimes we are telling these verbs will not take what? Present continuous. What? I seeing him, it is not right. I see him. Okay, I am hearing him, it is not right. I hear. Okay, smelling, I am smelling it, it is not right. Smell, taste, seem, guess, know, believe, imagine, think, suppose, remember, understand, like, dislike, hate, belong, contain, constitute, trust, agree, consider. Especially I have taken these verbs. There are many more verbs. Especially these verbs are generally coming to our mind, and sometimes knowingly or unknowingly we are using it in imperfect form or the progressive form or continuous form. But please remember, these verbs you should not use as continuous. If you use as continuous, the listener will not be happy to listen. Okay, that is my sincere request. Please, these verbs should be taken care. Not only these, there are many more, but the general verbs I have taken for the example. Okay, if you do it, then today what will you do? Today I have given one example. That means that is the declarative sentence. You have to make this declarative is already given. You have to make it interrogative sentence. Okay, then you will make it into which sentence? Yes or no interrogative sentence. Then you will have to make it into WH word. Okay, if you do these, that means passive voice will be easy. Passive voice will be easy. Why I am going? You are thinking, sir will teach simple tense, but did not tell where we have to use the simple tense. But sir taught what? Present progressive, but did not tell where we have to use the present progressive. But my aim is not that. My aim is that how to make a good sentence. What you speak, that will be right. What you write, that will be right. I am telling. But after completion of these, one class or two class, I will definitely take your where to use the simple form generally. But all the forms are written, all the formulas are written in different grammar books. You have read, your teachers have told, but no need to go there. After completion of this, if you are practicing more, definitely you will be able to understand what are the things are given in the books. Okay, if you do this, definitely you will do better and you will crack nicely. And my aim is to prepare you not only for this class but also forever. Okay, beta. Thank you. Keep it up. May God bless you. Do good and be good.